Today I am going to prepare Aloo Chaat. I am frying potatoes. We have to fry potatoes first. The potatoes are looking brown. Potatoes are ready. Let's prepare the chaat. Okay, I have all potatoes taken in a plate. Add green chili, add tomatoes, add onions, add lemon juice, add dhania, add salt, black chaat masala, black salt, red chili powder, jeera powder. Add with fried potatoes, dhania, onions, tomatoes, red chili powder, chaat masala, black salt, lemon juice, add green chutney, add red chutney, mix them all together. Aloo chaat is ready. Let's take in a bowl. Our aloo chaat is ready. Let's taste it.
Oh wow, that is delicious.